Traffic. Not the kind that snarls up on the highway on a hot day and leaves you choking on exhaust fumes from the big trucks. Rather, I'm talking about targeted visitors streaming onto your site and pushing money into your hand. These are people who just can't get enough of whatever you're selling. The problem is, sometimes it seems like traffic is just an elusive piece of the marketing puzzle. You can create or affiliate yourself with the best product in the world, you can develop amazing landing pages, but if you don't get the traffic flowing into your site, it's just going to be a party for one as you cry in your soup and wonder where all the money's at. And once you get some traffic flowing into your site, you're going to want more. I'm telling you, it's really addicting. You get those traffic logs busting at the seams and your PayPal account is filling up with cash, and all you'll be able to think about is how to get more. More cash in hand traffic, more ways to scale it all up and grow your business, more strategies that bring in bigger traffic numbers in less time. But here's the thing. Not all traffic is created equal. That's like confusing a Ford Fusion with a Ferrari. It's a total rookie mistake. And here's something else. You should never confuse traffic quantity with traffic quality. You see, a lot of big talking marketers like to brag about their traffic numbers. They'll tell you they're pulling down hundreds of thousands of visitors every month. They'll get you believing that size matters because they're telling you big traffic numbers trump everything else. Yeah, and sure, it sounds totally impressive, at least on paper it does, but just wait until you ask how big that business owner's mailing list is or how much money he's banking every month. You'll get evasive answers. He'll change the subject. You'll probably be staring at his feet. And you know why? Because if traffic isn't targeted, meaning it's composed of people who are willing and able to buy what you're selling, then all the traffic in the world means diddly squat. Simply put, big traffic numbers and a nice Alexa ranking don't mean a thing if they're not turning your visitors into money in the bank. Let me give you a silly example. Let's suppose you sell quilting patterns and other quilting supplies, and then you hear about this big convention in town. They expect about 100,000 people will attend the convention. So you run out and drop a whole lot of money to buy a booth at the convention so you can peddle your quilting patterns. Except there's a problem. Ruh-roh, the convention is for folks who own and love Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Now, do you think you're going to sell a lot of quilting patterns at a Harley-Davidson convention? Not a chance. And that's because the traffic that streams by your booth is completely untargeted. Yeah, sure, you might just happen to run into a few Harley-Davidson owners who also like quilting patterns, but that's just dumb luck, really. If you want to make money with this example, you'd need to do one of two things. One, you could sell something at this convention that appeals to Harley-Davidson owners, like leather riding chaps, leather jackets, and bandanas. Or the alternative is to just forget about the hog convention and go to a crafting convention, okay, where your quilting patterns are going to be far better received. Now, either way, you're putting a targeted offer in front of targeted traffic. So here's the deal. Your goal when you're driving traffic is to drive targeted traffic. That's your first priority. Your second priority is to increase the quantity of your traffic. But don't ever let the quality of your traffic suffer in favor of increasing the quantity. That's just a lot of wasted time, effort, and money if you're trying to convert an untargeted audience. And that's what this course is going to show you how to do. Namely, you'll find out how to get more targeted traffic flowing into your site by employing a whole lot of different traffic tactics. You're also going to find out how to focus on increasing the quality of the traffic by testing and tweaking your campaigns. Testing ensures that you put your time and money into the advertising venues that work the best for your particular offer. It's like giving yourself an instant pay raise. And really, who doesn't like getting more money? So listen, it doesn't matter where you need to drive traffic to, whether you're driving traffic to a lead magnet page, to an affiliate offer, to your own sales page, or any other page on your site. You're going to find a traffic strategy in this course that's right for you. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'll see you in the next video.